If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Seems like everybody's moving to Austin, but it doesn't mean that everything has to be bigger in Texas. Wanted to let you check out this tiny home community, Austin's number one and only tiny home community. Check it out. I drive by that tiny home community every day on the way to the Gigafactory. And today, when I drove up, man, the Gigafactory was just busy. It was work everywhere. It was a warm January day with clear skies over Giga Texas. And it was a wonderful day filming and flying around Giga Texas. Let's check it out. And in Tesla stock news, we had Tesla stock close at $883.09, right about the same as it has been for a while now, after hitting that all-time high yesterday. We do have the earnings report coming out tomorrow. We will see how that goes and how that affects Tesla. I do believe that that's going to be a solid earning report. Two key parts of that report to look out for. That's going to be your gross margins and the cash flow. Well, we'll see. I do believe Tesla's going to be on top of it, and we probably will see some rise in that stock price by the end of the week. we will keep you informed on that as we go. Also, in more of a local Tesla stock news that I think is pretty cool, we had Elon Musk actually reply to Gally from Hyperchange today, actually, saying, when is Gally and Solving the Money Problem going to do a collab together? I thought that was really interesting. I had to get into that conversation as well because, yeah, that'd be great. I think we should actually have maybe a Tesla YouTube star dinner party, or maybe a Tesla YouTube star award ceremony night. That'd be great. That's about it for Tesla news right now. Let's fly around the factory and see what we see as progress. It won't be long now, and all these steel buildings will be merging together as one. And looks like that concrete structure is almost complete. Won't be long now, and they'll be pouring concrete up here on the second floor of the concrete structure. Saw a conversation about a Tesla employee and a customer asking to get a Model Y lease because their Cybertruck is going to be about 2 years away. What do you think? Do you think your Cybertruck is going to take longer than 2 years? Or do you think you'll actually see one next year? Throw it in the comments. Let me know what you think. I did a bunch of welding growing up as a child. Me and my dad would weld skate rails together so we could skate in the front yard. And man, never thought I'd be filming someone welding on top of a steel building while flying a drone. Had a little bit of battery left, so I thought let's go check back the Gigapress area and see what we find. And I want to thank all my Patreon supporters as well. Your support really makes this channel grow. And if you thought this video brought you value, think about supporting me on Patreon as well. There's a link in the description. And don't forget, the best way of supporting me is being here and watching my videos. So thanks again, and have a great day.